So it's March 3rd, 2023, and here's an overall video of the GTX. It looks great from 5 to 10 feet away, but I would definitely probably think about maybe repainting it eventually if you wanted to. So we ended up purchasing all the new back panel, this Brazil back here, and they were expensive with new lenses, and then new bumpers that are chrome as well, and then all of the new Magnum 500 wheels with the Cooper tires, and then the GTX stripes on the side. And if you get up close, as far as imperfections, I would say I think right here is a little imperfection, and if you ever repaint it, I would have somebody, definitely strip all this down and check it, because I believe there's a little filler there. I don't know if it's from the factory when they did the roof seal, but over here in the sunlight you can see it, just a little bit of imperfection here and right there, and then there's a scratch right here. I'm sure that I got some touch-up paint that we could touch that up as well. And that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it.